Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to take you on a serene, relaxing watercolor journey of a peaceful bridge over a gentle flowing river surrounded by lush greenery and an enchanting evening sky. So let's start off with the basics. The first thing we do is layering the foundation, the blue river. So I begin by painting the river with two shades of blue. First the lighter blue for the base and then slightly a darker shade to add depth. And add a little bit of yellow and green to get the reflection of the river as well. Since we'll be adding trees above, we give shades of yellow, orange and as well as the sky since it's an evening setup. So this is the first thing we do. These warm hues not only capture the glow of the evening sky but also add a huge dynamic contrast to the cool blues of the water. From there we also add green. Since we are adding a lush green background, we add tones of green as well. So here's a quick tip. Layering is very essential in watercolor. You can see that how we can build texture. So mixing colors is very important in watercolor painting. Always start off with a base layer and gradually build up darker tones for shadows. This is how we can get different kind of textures into our watercolor painting. The next thing we do is use two shades of green to paint the bushes and the trees in the background. This layering technique gives the landscape both depth and vibrancy, making it more real. I have used the wet on wet technique, and this technique is perfect for creating soft gradients. The colors will merge naturally here. Since this is an evening scene, the sky needs to reflect that warmth, so I blend soft shades of yellow and orange across the sky using the wet on wet technique. This allows the colors to flow seamlessly and makes it look like a beautiful evening sunset scene. To enhance the depth of the river, we add a touch of purple here now. So as you can see, a little purple can dramatically enhance the reflective quality of the water. So just we use small strikes and show the river's effect. Now we keep the painting aside for a while so that the first layer dries. Now it's time to paint the bridge. I choose a dark red tone to give the bridge a strong defined presence against the vibrant background. Once we paint the bridge, we start off with the trees. We can use darker shades of brown, red or green to give realistic shadows and textures. We slowly go on with the trees and the branches as well on both the ends of the bridge. Contrast is key. Always use darker tones for details and shadows to make the main elements pop up more better. painted the trees, we use a little bit of brown to add shadows below the trees as well and near the bridge. Complete the painting, I also final touches by deepening the shadows and refining the reflections of the trees in the water. Finally, we use black to highlight certain areas, which gives more dimension to the overall scene. The final details that you add to your painting is what brings your painting together. So take your time to ensure that the highlights and shadows enhance the overall balance of your composition. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful journey through nature. I hope these techniques and tips inspire you to create your own serene watercolor landscapes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment, share your favorite technique, and subscribe for more. Also, I love to hear your thoughts on nature inspired art. Which part of nature inspires you the most? Let me know in the comments. Bye bye.